In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted users in Google Workspace, a task that can be crucial for maintaining productivity and data integrity in your organization. Whether you've accidentally deleted a user or they were removed intentionally but need to be reinstated, this guide will walk you through the recovery process step by step. First, you want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is where you'll start your recovery journey. Once you've reached Google Workspace, you'll need to access the admin console. On the page, you'll see an option to click on the admin console, which is the central hub for managing all your Google Workspace activities. Next, you'll enter your login credentials, sign in with your business email, and if prompted, click Next or Sign in to continue. It's important to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to recover deleted users, so make sure you're logged in with an account that has administrative privileges. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu icon. Click on this icon as it will display a list of applications available to you. From this menu, locate and click on the admin icon. This action will take you to the admin dashboard, which is your control center for managing users and settings within Google Workspace. Now, within the admin dashboard, you need to navigate to the directory section. You'll find this option in the menu, often located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Directory and then proceed to the Users section. This will display a list of all active users in your Google Workspace. To find your deleted users, look for the More Options button, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots or lines. Click on More Options, and from the drop-down, select Recently Deleted Users. This selection is essential as it directly leads you to the list of users who have been deleted within the past 20 days. Google Workspace allows for the recovery of users within this period, so timely action is crucial. Upon clicking Recently Deleted Users, you will see a list of usernames that you can recover. Here, you simply need to select the user you want to restore and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the recovery process. Once completed, the user's account will be reinstated, allowing them to regain access to their data and services seamlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to recover deleted users in Google Workspace. Remember, acting quickly is vital because the recovery option is only available for users deleted in the last 20 days. Keep this timeline in mind and ensure to revisit these steps whenever necessary for swift recoveries. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was both helpful and informative for keeping your Google Workspace in top shape.